Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get free food on KFC. So this is actually using a modded KFC app. So let me just open it up and show you guys how it works. So basically, this is my bag right here. I'm going to be doing an order that totals up to $48. So when I go to checkout, I'm just going to press continue, and you can see down here we have select payment method, right? So one of the options in the KFC mod aimed at TikTok influencers is to pay using influencer mode account. So this is like this weird thing that lets you order up to $200 worth of food a month for free. And you're supposed to be a TikTok influencer, but I'm not. But I'm going to show you guys how to download this app, which is only for them. So press place order. And now, as you can see, it is processing the order. So we'll just see if it works. And it might work. So let's see what happens. It says order confirmed. Bang, it worked. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this onto your device. So let's get into the video. So go to tweakmod.com and find the KFC app. And if you can't find it, guys, just search it up. And then go ahead and press install. And basically, guys, at the end, there's going to be a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download right here. So yeah, this is not aimed at like regular people, but I discovered this TweakMod site that has it. So I guess they can't really stop me from showing it to you guys. So I'm going to do just that. So let's just wait for this to download here, and we're going to see what happens. So as you can see, guys, it's loading up, and we're going to see the thing that says missing files. So basically what you have to do is download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions on them. They're 100% free, and they're also from the official store. So like Travel Town says I got to reach level 9, so it's some sort of game. So I download it, reach level 9, good to go. Then we got like TikTok, down run for 30 seconds. So it's pretty easy, guys, and then you get free KFC. So make sure you check it out, tweakmod.com. That's the website where this all goes down. So if you guys are interested, definitely try it out for yourself. It's super cool, bro.